to SPB Education World. Together we create a better world. This is regarding IBPS P1 notification of 2021 which has been released by IBPS. So let us see detail of the notifications which had been out. But still, before going to the notification, let us have a brief view. Many are having a banking dreams and they need to succeed and work hard, but the family pressures, failures, regularly facing hard work, but still they didn't succeed because they need an inclusion of smart work for the success with the hard work. So, and again, money is the biggest problem. Next, multiple attempts, but still they couldn't able to clear. Next, jobless. After graduation, everybody is pushed into a great dream of getting job, and jobless is the biggest black mark in their life. And age, automatically multiple attempts, different failures, and continuous of preparations. Age gets passed, but simple thing, a greater hope has been provided by banking for the banking dreamers, and the hope is now IBPS PO notification. So kindly, this notification is most important, and just in a 6 month span of time you could be able to get into a platform of a good job with a 50 plus income, which means 50k plus income you'll be getting, and the job is well versed. This 6 months stands as a most crucial in your life, and you must be working hard on it, and you must never let it down. So you may have many issues, problems, and multiple things that I had mentioned here, but still remember one thing, forget everything. Just you have one goal of just working hard at 6 months and getting into the job. So never let you down. Hard work and smart work, include them and keep motivated and working hard, and this is the right time for you to get into and work hard. Okay friends, now let's see. Now in this video we're gonna see these things. Okay, what are all those things we shall see in the IBPS notification. Vacancies, we're gonna see exam pattern, important dates that has been provided, and cutoffs based on the previous years, and eligibility, amount of fees or salary that you get, and syllabus that you have to cover for the IBPS PO 2021. Okay friends, let's get into the topic here. The PO professional officer notification has been released. 4135 vacancies has been mentioned over. 11 banks has been recruiting these jobs. Okay, here important date stands as registration starts from 20th October and ends by 10th November. Here 3 stages of the exam: prelims, mains, and interview. And now if you are a graduate, that is enough to apply for this exam, and your age limit must be 20 years to 30 years. This is the age limit that you must apply for the examinations. Here the salary after you had been recruited, you will be getting around 52,000 to 55,000. Okay, now let's look into the important dates. Here IBPS PO important dates means the notification here has been released on October 19th. These dates must be remembered: 20th October to 10th November. Within the 20 days span of time you must be applying, and the prelims exam, it will be conducted around 4th and 11th means the same dates, two tentative dates, 4th and 11th. You remember just 4th, because as early you think, that much hard you prepare. Next, prelims release result also will be released by December, and by December January mains admit card will be released, and mains will be conducted on January, and if mains result also will be getting within a month, and next interview will be of February or March. By April you will be in a good job. So stay confident, be motivated. This is a golden opportunity for your life, so never let it down. Okay friends, here by 6 months, 5 to 6 months of hard work, you will get into a job. Okay, next vacancies, let us look into it. Here 4135, but actually Indian Bank and Punjab National Bank did not provide any vacancies as per now, but future they will be provided. So these vacancies may be rise around 5000. I am expecting more than 5000 vacancies may be provided. It will be updated in future. And available posts for previous years, for this year it is 4100 something, and previously it was lower, and the previous year to, that previous year 2019 to 20, it is 4000. So our average number of posts is the around 4000 to 4500. But thing is that you must remember one thing: based on the number of posts only we can calculate the cutoff and these things. So here cutoff stays as similar to the previous 3 to 4 years. Next we can see here SC, ST and PWD you must pay 175 for the application fees, and general categories you must be paying 850 rupees. We shall see the prelims pattern of examination. Here three objectives, it is objective type, and three topics will be there, mostly three sections. Sections: English language, numerical ability and reasoning ability. English will be getting 30 questions, each question carries 1 mark, and if you are wrong you will be charged 0.25 negative marking. So 1/4 negative marks will be for the wrong answer. Numerical ability 35 and reasoning ability 35. You will be having a sectional timing, which means each section you get only 20 minutes to complete those section. Okay friends, next after clearing the prelims you'll go through mains procedure. Here mains you have 4 sections: reasoning, English, data analysis and general economy and banking awareness. But still you must remember that here sectional timing is provided and also sectional cutoff also provided, which means here you cannot just get 30 or 40 marks in English and you just get 0 in reasoning. You could not able to clear the mains. But here for sure every section you must be attempting and you must be getting a minimum qualifying marks in those sections. Fifth, here you can see that English letter writing and essay will be there. And now let us look into total marks in mains. You'll be given 225. Most probably if you get 100 you'll be sure you'll be for sure you'll be getting into the job, because the previous year cutoff is 83. That too previous year also the similar to, which means there will be difference of 5 to 6 marks. That's it. There will not be a major difference. So for 225 if you are planning to get 100 marks you will be in a safe zone that you will get the job. And next here for prelims we shall see the syllabus that is provided here. This is the syllabus that is provided for reasoning, quants and English language. Actually I'm planning to start in Telugu and Tamil courses for quants, and in future if it feels necessary that I have more followers in English, because this English channel that I had started there, we still won't get any more subscribers. So in future if we get, and I plan to take here also courses regarding this, and live classes will be provided. Okay friends, next we shall see here this previous year cutoffs. You can look into it here. For 100 prelims if you get 60 plus, it will be sure that you will be getting into the mains. Similarly in the mains, see here it's 83, 78 approximately, but I'm saying that you target for the maximum, then you'll be getting through still more marks, so that you'll be in a safe zone. For 225 you plan to get 100, then you'll be in a most safer zone. Okay friends, this is the sectional wise cutoff. Hope you like this video and it's most helpful for you. For further more videos like this in this channel SPV Education, kindly be in touch. We'll make more videos, and also here I'm planning for many things in this channel. We'll get more courses in future. Hope will get a positive feedback from you. And also if you like, kindly subscribe and give a like, and also share with your friends that such channel exists, so they may know and we shall also learn together and build our knowledge. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Signing off. This is SPR. Take care. Bye bye.